Welcome to Utkarsh Techno World, solution for all hardware, software, and networking problems. Hello friends, in this video, we are going to look at why Python is so popular and powerful programming language. So, let's go and try to understand why Python is so popular. Number 1. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Number 2. Python is free and open source programming language. Number 3. Python is easy to use and learn. Number 4. Python has powerful development libraries. Number 5. Python is an interpreted programming language. Number 6. Python is a cross-platform programming language. Number 7. Python is dynamically typed programming language. Number 8. Python is a high-level programming language. Number 9. Python is a powerful general-purpose programming language. Number 10. Python programming language has huge community. Number 11. Python is portable across operating systems. Number 12. Python programming language also support graphical user interface. Thank you for watching video. Hit bell icon to get new video.